Let's go to work, 'cause I'm tripping. Gotta work on myself, 'cause I'm falling apart. Please wake me up, 'cause I'm slipping. Can't fight this feeling off no more. Oh na 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 na. When all I see is darkness and gloom, yeah, I'll be running from my doom. Oh na 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 na. But now it's time to live my life, and now I know what I need to do.
What you say? You know true?
Soap and water, or use the hand. So attention, portable.
We're on so? As if we come off at the airport in total. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and you guys don't see the title already, so you know exactly what we have in store for you today. Link up with my brethren Nakeem. Yeah. So we're going over to this spot. What place name? You don't know what name. Basically we're gonna do some go-karting today. Here is a whole vibe. Quick vlog, last minute planning, so we're gonna just see what we can capture and show you guys, you know. Hey, this man tell me say we're going to airport. Say alright, cool. And then my car go around and one part around here so. And then all of a sudden I see the man draw a knife. Yo yo. Show me day one, make me not afraid. Cause I don't know where my car me go. As I go for say that, I see the one draw a knife, you know. The knife they calm still, let see it.
You're going to your first name and your last name over this side, first name and your gender right here.
Neil dog. What the hell, brother? Yeah guys, you know you have to take the COVID precautions. So at the gate you're going to have to write down your name and they're going to have to take your temperature. So yeah, we're here. As soon as I find out the details of the place, I'll let you guys know so that you can find it. It's not expensive. I'll have the cost there somewhere as well, so you guys can check it out if you want to. Hey, drop in a boy. Oh yeah, anyways, we continue. This brother just let me know say the last time we come here, one little baby beat him around the track.
Nearly.
He once said the baby beat him around the track.
Say nearly. Around, I just have to refuel him.
So, wait, what you say? The only reason baby no beat you because of what? Yo, the man said the only reason the baby no beat him is because he run out of gas. I have to get refuel. But yeah, it's a vibe. We're here just to wait to get signed up. Once we get signed up and thing, yeah man, take on the track. My problem is because I'm leaving here. So when this man texts me and access for me, I'm telling him to leave out. I don't even know where I wear it. So, so because me in here, I end up leave the head mount. So I don't know how I'm gonna navigate filming on the track. So you can't sign anything for me, bro. Yo, me miss a handwriting in the dog. Oh, something wrong, sir. What is? Hold it now. It's been about half an hour. We're just chilling, waiting on the group that's ahead of us to get sorted out, and the beer laps, and then we the oar laps. So basically, we get 2 warm-up laps, and then 8 laps. So basically 10 laps again for the cost. I think the places, I think their name is Zoom Karts or Zoom Karting. Yeah. So you guys can check them out on Instagram. I'll have the link there. Okay guys, so it's like an hour and a half later. I had to wait on this group that went out with some kids, so they took a little bit longer. But hopefully we're going out now. Catch you guys on the track.
Melon and not melon, lemon. Okay.
Lemon.
Just make it
Just buy me a sorry. Eh? How much I get? 3 bills. Buy a one. Sorry. Yeah, what I was trying to explain earlier is that if you guys come in here, ensure that you come with a group, because
Before you come here too.
yes, because I just the 2 hours, we kind of get pushed back, you see it? So a larger group was there and them push them and then put we with another group. So yeah, I'm in the mood to get loud today, so I just make it slide. Plus the girl we are running it off, she kind of cute, so I make it slide. So we're going to go up on the next lap, right? Hopefully we'll go up on the next lap. Well, we have to go up on the next lap. Let's me get loud. Yo. That bit, you know. Thanks. Try it, brother. Alright, vibes. Unleash summer bell on them. I say yeah, I don't know how this is gonna work because as I said, I left the chest mount, so we kinda have a ready-made one with a belt. So not give me belt to make one. Yeah. I got unleash Lewis Hamilton on them. So yo, how you feel about the Supercharged and we are going to race against? You say you can beat them? Man save up the natural NAS, so you can beat the Supercharged them. Alright, you say it though. How many of them?
Alright, well this kart.
Alright, let's okay. Ready for them, Nanny? Supercharged. Tough with it.
That's all I'm saying. You have to sanitize.
Huh? Hold it in.
Your hand on the wheels at all times. Don't reach behind you. If for whatever reason you come off the track, you're stuck, don't come out of the car. Just hold your hand up, hold the brake, hold your hand up, somebody will come and help you. You get out of the car before it stops, it might try to move with you and you will get injured. We don't want that either, okay? Couple of the rules. I'm gonna be on the track and I'm gonna be using some flags. The red flag means you're gonna stop. When I start it, you can hold the brake.
Yeah, Nally. Yo, I want to reach in front of me. Oh, you changed card. So you did not want to super one them. Oh, bad drive me.
You can join you.
You need to use your belt. Vector. Yo, we got lucky to do with them. It's sweet, dog. See you, my friend.
You get our ticket, right?
So, you see, I saw me see everybody skid off. 2 times skid off. What I tell you, I skid 2 times and 2 cars looking at me around this. So, around this, when I go around the corner, when I supercharge, one of them come from me inside. So the same time come from inside, I cut out, and then the next one there, so I end up spin off down there, so and 2 more cars looking at me. And around this, yeah. Around the other side, you know, I run down the Supercharged Kart. Around this one, take a corner too deep. And you know, so as I go out, this will be a gravel. So it's skidding at gravel and turn me. Alright, you guys know if I go somewhere, I'm going to give you the 100% truth about the experience. Alright, so we got there around about 1:30.
Yeah.
And we didn't get to go on a cart till about probably 5, no?
Yeah.
Probably 5 o'clock. People came after us, and because they had a larger group, they got to go through before us. And if we never take a stand, probably our next group would have go before we.
Exactly.
That things like them, they are things that will make people not want to come back at your place. After waiting so long, the cart that Nakeem got couldn't even do the full leg.
It can't manage me.
It couldn't manage it, so
Couldn't manage me.
yeah, I said the car couldn't manage you.
Thing broke down.
To be honest though, despite all of that and the long waiting, it was extremely fun. It was fun, although them the kind of broke vibes first, like it kind of make up feet. So I mean, if you come in here, come early, come with a group so that you can get to go in the order that you're supposed to. And yeah, you should have a good time.
Yeah.
If you haven't checked out my recent videos, you check out the one that I did the snorkeling, and then the one that I went to Booby Key and we did a lobster cook up. It's a whole vibe. Oh, you know, see that? Oh, so I actually dropped the snorkeling video today. So just look out for the snorkeling video, look out for the Booby Key lobster cook up video, and remember to subscribe, leave a like, drop a comment and let me know if you enjoyed the video. And remember, in every single thing that you do, be patient, exercise humility, and always be on. Yo, no, always disappoint me. Yo, you can't say it late. And always be consistent. I'll see you guys in the next video.
Me know you never gonna believe me, but me woulda find it hard to keep this thing a secret. Cause got me going to the deepest of oceans. Come on, let me show you why you feel like a float man. Slow jams why you feel like listen. Anything you turn in a real life fixin'. Not touching, girl, you're my addiction. Cause with you I feel I'm missing nothing.